In this video, I'll show you how to view your Peacock watch history. Step 1. Open the Peacock app or website. Launch Peacock on your mobile device or visit peacocktv.com on your browser and then log in. Step 2. Navigate to your profile. Tap or click on your profile icon, usually located at the top right corner. Step 3. Select Watch History or Continue Watching. Look for the Watch History or Continue Watching section in your profile on menu. Step 4. Browse your recently watched content. Scroll through your watch history list showing thumbnails and titles of your viewed shows and movies. Now, step 5. Resume watching or manage your history. Click on any title to resume watching or use available options to clear or manage your watch history. Now I have some tips for you. If your watch history is missing, check your privacy settings and ensure you are logged into the correct account. Watch history syncing may vary between devices and platforms. Clearing browser, app, and cache may disrupt history display temporarily. And that's how you view your Peacock watch history. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe.